Morning everyone. So the diggers have been, or the digging team, and I've dug out all of this out of the last metre here. So that's all gone. Not as deep as I made the effort of digging the rest of that. That's definitely not 500 mil, but if that's what they're having, that's what they're having. So this is their hole, and they've also fed the cable through the ducting. So you can see there that cable will run up the pole, and then they'll connect that up there, and it's been fed all the way through the ducting, through my nice deep trench, and through the hockey stick there. So now I need to just fit my metre box onto the wall, which I've marked there. It is freezing, as you can see it snowed, so yeah, it's absolutely freezing cold. My new test hole is also filled with water, annoyingly, so yeah, is what it is. Right, so now I fit this box onto the wall, so I know roughly where I'm having it. I've cut the ducting down, and that's where the hockey stick's going to go on my line roughly, and I've also marked the top of the metre box. Okay, so it's now time to fit the box to the wall. So first of all, I'm going to use my drill to drill through these blanks there, because they're the fixing holes. And then what I've had to do is I've had to transfer the centres of this box onto the wall there, which is what I've done on the marks. So what I've done is I've got my engineer's square, and I set the height first to roughly the centre of the hole, as you can see there. I've then put that on my line on there, levelled it to get the height from that line there. So that line there is the top of the box, and I've measured down to get the height of the holes. What I've then had to do is, with my rule, measure the centres, which is 10.5 inches. I like using this rule because it's got millimetres and inches on it, so it's whatever's closest. I'm a grown man, I can measure in both. So I then measured the centres that way, so 10.5 inches between the two. Then what I've done is, with the spirit level, gone down, drew a line all the way down, and then taped it back up. So I've got a vertical line either side that's level and plumb. And then what I've done is I've measured down the centres between the top and the bottom, which is 16.25 inches, and then using my plumb line there, I've marked the two holes 16.25 inches down from the top. So I can now drill the wall and drill the box and then get ready to fit it. So I'll put you on a little time lapse for that. Okay, so that is the metre box on the wall. So as you can see there, there's the screws for holding it to the wall. And you've then got these other little metal screws, little metric machine screws that hold that little wooden back box part to the back of the box for the meter and everything to connect to. As you can see there, that is beautifully level. We'll do like a level test. As you can see, that is pretty much as level as you can get. So that is basically the meter box on the wall. So I've now got a hole saw the bottom of the box for the hockey stick to go through. Put the back box back in, or the backboard, sorry, and then we're pretty much there. And the good news is the box isn't upside down. As you can see, there's the right and the right way up. Okay everyone, so the overhead cable has gone. That was up there. That has gone from the roof. UK Power Network have disconnected the electric. They've cut it off from the meter, and then they've cut the cable down there. So that is all now completely redundant, all of that. Bit of cable there. So we're just waiting on EDF to come and move this part into the electric box in the garage, and then the electrician to connect it all up again. So it's gone from the pole, going to the top, and it now goes down there, down this ducting, as you can see here, down into the ground and into the ducting, which clearly isn't anywhere near as deep as I made the effort of digging, which is really annoying. But anyway, it's in. So it goes down the drive, down here, and then up the hockey stick, and there is the 100 amp fuse that they fitted, ready for the meter to go in, and then the electrician can connect the armoured cable up through the box and into the meter. So that is it. So now we patiently wait and pray that EDF turn up to connect the electric meter up so we can start phase 2. Yeah, so that is where we're at the moment.